Myself, Dr. Khan Romana from Zoology Department, JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women. I heartily welcome you in my lecture. Today my topic is about gangrene. Now we see what is the gangrene. Actually, in Greek, gangrene means putrefaction or death of the tissues. Although lay people associated the term gangrene with a bacterial infection, the medical use of the term includes any cause of compromises the blood supply that results in tissue death. Consequently, a person can be diagnosed with gangrene but doesn't have to be infected. तो हम कह सकते हैं अगर किसी को गैंग्रीन होता है तो वो इन्फेक्टेड नहीं है, but there is a cause of the gangrene is that there is a lack of blood supply in a particular part of the body or tissues. So gangrene refers to the death of the tissues due to lack of the blood flow or bacterial infection. And mostly gangrene is seen in the extremities including toes, fingers and limbs, but it can also occur in muscles and internal organs also. ज़्यादातर जो है वो ब्लड सप्लाई जो या बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन कहाँ पर होता है, जो हमारी बॉडी के जो एक्सट्रीमिटीज़ होते हैं जैसे लिम्स, लेग्स, टोज एटसेट्रा, तो वहाँ पर जो है देर इज़ अ चांसेस ऑफ गैंग्रीन, बट समटाइम्स गैंग्रीन इज ऑल्सो सीन इन muscles or internal organs also. Now when we see the causes of the gangrene, we see that gangrene is caused by insufficient blood supply. Gangrene is actually caused by critically insufficient blood supply or infection. It is associated with diabetes and long-term tobacco smoking. This condition is most common in the lower extremities like legs and feet. Blood play a very important role in the health. Not only does it transport oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, to feed the cell, it delivers disease-fighting antibodies that protect body from infection. When blood cannot travel freely throughout the body, your cells cannot survive. Infection can develop and tissue can die from gangrene. So actually blood is very important part of our body. Blood circulate throughout the body and during the circulation blood supply nutrients, ऑक्सीजन एटसेट्रा. और अगर जिस्म के किसी भी हिस्से को ब्लड सप्लाई कम हो जाएगा तो उस हिस्से में जो है वो सेल्स और टिश्यूज़ में डाई उनकी जो है वो डेथ हो जाएगी और देयर इज़ अ चांसेस ऑफ गैंग्रीन. When blood cannot travel freely throughout the body, cells cannot survive. Any condition that affect blood flow increases the risk of the gangrene, including diabetes, atherosclerosis. As you know that diabetes, blood sugar level is high in ज़्यादा हो जाता है तो उस वक्त भी जो है वो there is a chances of lack of blood supply in a particular part of the body and there is a chances of gangrene. What happened in case of atherosclerosis? Atherosclerosis में क्या होता है? There is a deposition of the fatty substances और cholesterol in the blood vessels और उसकी वजह से lumen of the blood vessels become reduced and this affect on the blood supply और atherosclerosis की वजह से भी जो है वो पर्टिकुलर पार्ट में जो है वो ब्लड सप्लाई कम हो जाता है एंड देयर इज़ अ चांसेस ऑफ अ गैंग्रीन. Smoking, persons who are addicted to tobacco smoking, tobacco chewing, they're also suffering from the gangrene. ट्रॉमा ज़रब लगने से भी जो है वो देर इज़ अ रप्चरिंग और डैमेज ऑफ द ब्लड वेसल्स. एंड Raynaud's phenomena means when there is a damage or rupturing in the blood vessels which supply blood to the skin. At that time what happened? Cells of the skins can't receive sufficient amount of the blood and there is a chances of gangrene. Now we see the symptoms of the gangrene. The symptoms depends on the location and causes of the gangrene. If the skin is involved or the gangrene is close to the skin, the symptoms may include discoloration, blue or black color of the skin is seen if the affected area is beneath the skin. अगर स्किन के तरफ में गैंग्रीन होता है तो वो हिस्सा जो ब्लू या ग्रीन कलर का दिखाई देता है. इसके अलावा जो है वो फॉल स्मेलिंग डिस्चार्ज, उस हिस्से से जो बैड स्मेल आती है. देन लॉस ऑफ फीलिंग इन दैट एरिया, उस हिस्से में जो है किसी भी चीज़ का एहसास नहीं होता है, जिसे हम कहते हैं सुन्न हो जाता है वो हिस्सा. फीवर बिकॉज ऑफ इन्फेक्शन, bad smelling, there is a body temperature is rises, general illness is seen in the body, and at that time blood pressure may be low, and in such gangrenous part there is a severe pain is also seen. That this is about the symptoms of the gangrene. Thank you.